Hello friends, welcome to Veena's Etiquette. We are doing acupressure series, and in this series I have come up with a new issue, another issue, that is hair fall. Normally hair undergoes three phases. One is the growing phase, second is the transition phase, and the third is the resting phase. And after the resting phase, the hair falls and it is replaced by a new hair. But generally, if every day, each day, if 100 to 120 strands of hair fall every day, it is said to be normal. But if this exceeds the limit, it exceeds more than 120 to 150 strands per day, then it is considered as hair fall. And this hair fall can occur due to many causes. The first cause is due to genetic factor. Second cause is due to hyper or hypothyroidism. Or third factor is when a woman undergoes after her pregnancy or after her delivery, due to hormonal imbalance, she can have lot of hair fall. Fourth is due to any infection in the body, the hair fall can occur. And the fifth reason could be due to some nutritional deficiency of vitamins and minerals like zinc, iron, copper, and vitamins like vitamin D, vitamin E. If these are lacking in your nutrition, then also a person suffers from hair fall. Then next, the sixth factor I can tell you is about due to stress, which could be both physical or also mental and emotional stress. A person starts losing his hair. And the seventh one which I would like to tell you is due to certain type of medication. When you take certain type of medication also, these medications sometimes they lead to hair fall. So today I have come up with how can you people use many types of shampoos, oils, and medication also for stopping this hair fall. But today I have come up with remedy through acupressure. So let us learn what is the remedy through acupressure. First thing is we just require two sketch pens. One is the light blue color and another is an yellow color. What we have to do is you have to select the ring finger, both hands ring finger, the middle joint of the ring finger has to be selected. And then because this represents the bone and the bone marrow, so here you will put a ring of light blue color, and then after that you have to apply a ring of yellow color. Apply a ring of yellow color around this and leave it for 4 hours. For 4 hours, you can leave it for more time also. So this is one way. In both the ring fingers of the right hand and of the left hand, put a ring of this light blue color. I have already put this so that it will be easy for me to show you. And then a ring of yellow color. So this is one remedy. How you can cure your hair fall. If you are taking any medication or if you are taking any shampoos, you can continue using them. Then the second remedy through acupressure is using these acupressure balls. This acupressure ball, which is in yellow color, it represents the earth element, and earth elements has got the capacity to hold. It has a capacity to hold. So same way, this also, when the yellow color, as it represents the earth element, it has the capacity to holding power. It has the power of holding. So what you have to do is you have to just rub this ball in the middle of your palm. Just rub in the middle of the palm. Just rotate it in this way for 2 minutes. Just rotate it in this way for 2 minutes, and after that, after 20 minutes, after you rotating it, you have to take your meals. Whatever meals you are taking, just before 20 minutes before you take the meals, you have to just rotate this ball in the center of your palm for 2 minutes. And this, when you do it continuously and regularly, this will also improve your condition. The hair fall condition can be improved, and this can reduce your hair fall. And the third tip what I would like to give is, there is a point here. According to the traditional acupressure, there is a point. This is the point. Your middle finger, mid joint, and towards the ring finger. The place where it should be placing towards the ring finger. So this is the place where you have to apply this corner. This corner I have drawn it for you. So this is the place where you have to both the fingers Okay, I have done it for you. So the middle finger, middle joint, and which side? Towards the ring finger side. So this is the point. What you have to do is, you have to take star magnets. These are star magnets. You get doctor tape. Just place the black part of it towards the tape, and then this pointed silver thing should be facing outside. Okay, then just take this and place it on this point. Leave it like this. You can leave it for 6 to 12 hours. 6 to 12 hours or even 8 hours you can leave it. Minimum 6 hours has to be applied. But if they are small children, then it is for 2 hours, and if they are senior citizens also, it is 2 hours, and those who are in middle age, you can apply for 6 hours, the minimum for 6 hours. So this way, just apply it and leave it. This also will improve your condition. And suppose you do not have these star magnets. If you do not have the star magnets, what will you do? You can apply sketch pens, right? If you can also use methi seeds. Instead of the star magnets, you can apply these methi seeds. You should take a doctor tape, place one methi seed on it, and this methi seed you should apply it on this point. And again you can leave it for 6 hours, minimum 6 hours. So if you keep pressing like this, this point keeps on getting pressed, and then this will improve your condition. So this is how you can stop your hair fall. Gradually it will get stopped, and hope you all will make use of these tips. And if anybody has such type of problem, you can suggest to them, and also you can share this video to those people who really want such type of remedies through acupressure. Thank you, friends.